Welcome to Border Drip USA, your trusted source for the latest U.S. immigration updates. Today, we're covering major changes, including a Supreme Court ruling that could reshape immigration policy, new flexibility for waivers, and former President Trump's controversial gold card proposal. These updates could impact millions, so stay informed. Before we begin, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an important update. Now let's get started. Supreme Court ruling limits executive power. What it means for immigration. In a significant decision, the U.S. Supreme Court has reinforced the balance of power between the executive, legislative, and judicial branches. This ruling has far-reaching consequences for immigration policies moving forward. What happened? Congress allocated $2 billion for immigration-related programs under the Department of Homeland Security. However, the executive branch attempted to withhold these funds, essentially overriding Congress's authority. The Supreme Court ruled this action unlawful, reaffirming that no administration can bypass Congress when it comes to government spending. Why does this matter for immigration? This ruling is critical because it establishes that the president cannot unilaterally change immigration policies without proper legal oversight. With several key immigration cases expected to reach the Supreme Court soon, including those related to DACA, asylum policies, and executive actions, this decision could shape how immigration laws are enforced in the future. 212(d)(3) Magic Waiver just got easier to get. If you or someone you know has been denied entry into the U.S. due to past convictions, medical issues, or unlawful presence, there's good news. The 212(d)(3 waiver, often called the Magic Waiver, has been updated to offer more flexibility. Who qualifies? This waiver is available to individuals who are considered inadmissible due to certain health conditions, criminal records, or past convictions. 3-year and 10-year bars for unlawful presence in the U.S. What's changing? Previously, consular officers relied on past denials when reviewing waiver applications, making it difficult for individuals to be approved after a previous rejection. Under the new guidelines, each case will be reviewed independently, without past denials influencing the decision. What this means for you: if you were previously denied a waiver, you now have the chance to reapply. Your case will be considered on its own merits, improving your chances of approval. When reapplying, make sure to mention the updated policy so that your case is reviewed under the new standards. This update provides a new opportunity for many who believed they had no path to entering the U.S. One lawful entry could make you eligible for a green card. Many people do not realize that even a single lawful entry into the U.S., even if they later overstayed, can help them qualify for a green card. How does this work? Under Section 245(a) of the Immigration and Nationality Act, if an individual entered the U.S. legally at least once, they may be able to adjust their status, even if they later overstayed or worked without authorization. Who can benefit? Those who may qualify include individuals who were waived through a port of entry, entered on a valid visa but later overstayed, had any form of lawful admission into the U.S. For many who have been living in the U.S. without legal status, this could be a potential pathway to permanent residency. Green card controversy. J.D. Vance's warning and Trump's gold card plan. Recent immigration discussions have intensified with comments from Senator J.D. Vance and a new proposal from former President Donald Trump. Are green cards truly permanent? Senator J.D. Vance recently highlighted that green cards are not a guaranteed permanent status. They can be revoked under certain conditions, including criminal activity, extended stays outside the U.S., violations of immigration laws. His remarks have sparked debates on whether green card regulations should be revised. Trump's gold card immigration proposal. Former President Donald Trump has introduced a new idea called the gold card, which would allow wealthy foreigners to pay $5 million for a visa that grants them the right to live and work in the U.S. How would it work? The gold card would function similarly to a green card and provide a pathway to U.S. citizenship. Companies could use it to hire foreign talent more easily. This program would replace the EB-5 investor visa, which currently requires applicants to create jobs in the U.S. Supporters versus critics. Supporters of the gold card proposal argue that it would generate significant revenue for the U.S., attract top professionals and investors, help reduce the national debt. However, critics claim it would Turn U.S. residency into a privilege only for the wealthy. Favor high-income individuals over skilled workers. Increase inequality in the immigration system. Final thoughts. What do you think? These immigration updates signal major changes ahead. From the Supreme Court's decision limiting executive power to new waiver flexibility and Trump's proposed gold card, U.S. immigration policies continue to evolve. What are your thoughts? Do you think Trump's gold card proposal is a step in the right direction or a flawed system? How do you feel about the Supreme Court's ruling? Share your thoughts in the comments. Before you go, like this video to help spread important immigration updates. Subscribe for more U.S. immigration news. Turn on notifications so you never miss a critical update. Stay informed, and we'll see you in the next video.
Thanks for watching.